So dito po tayo sa may bahagi ng ano no. So sa may street to. Santo Tomas ito no. Yan o, makita natin diyan. Yan na po yung ginagawa nilang mga bayadak diyan sila nagsisimula at ito wala pa rin development dito no. Tumaas na yung mga halaman dito. Yan. So dito tatayo yung mga poste. So, may bayin natin dito. Ayan o. May bayin natin dito. So, ito wala pa rin ha. Ganun pa rin yung last nagpunta tayo. So ganito pa rin ang itsura dito no.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.
Titignan lang natin yung mga ayun kita na natin yung mga natatapos na nilang mga poste dyan. Ang hindi man nadagdagan at wala ring
Still the things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action.
Dito tatayo yung hindi pa nagdiretso no.
Try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
Diyan pa rin yung mga poste. Mukhang hindi man siya nadagdagan. Hindi rin nabawasan. At pinapawisan na yung mga poste no. So matagal na natin nakikita yung mga poste dito. Siyam yata yung 10. Yung mga poste na to. Yan papunta direksyon ng San Fernando Station. Ilang kilometro dyan. At so wala pang development dito. Ngayon balik tayo doon sa may
They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance.
Yung mga bayadak dito no. Ayun, daming mga so wala pang development dito. As is pa rin yung natin dati.
My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a
sa kabilang side nung yan. So dito ganun pa rin. Yan, may bago silang nilagay na tarpaulin. Kapapabalwan North South Commuter Railway Balausni. Yan. So yan pa yung natatapos nila dito no. At tatagos yan dito sa kabila.
Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
Tagos yan sila dito.
Kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
Yan, dyan na yun sa may aquaculture, mga palaisdaan na yan dyan. So ito yung nabakante dito no. So wala pa rin development dito. Yan oh. Yan. So dyan yung Santo Tomas Old Train Station dyan. So wala pang development dito sa pagtawid no. Oh. So matagal na yung doon na gano'n ang itsura. Wala pa rin silang nadagdag, wala mang nabawas. Tignan na lang natin ibang kanina ano nagiging development dyan. Ito yung pinaka-latest dito sa may parte ng ano no, lumang Santo Tomas station. Yan yung pinaka-latest na makukunan natin dito.
Rock a mic like a vandal, light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Damn!